Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about factors responsible for location of industries. Industrial locations are complex in nature. They are influenced by availability of many factors. Some of them are raw material, land, water, labor, capital, power, transport, and market. The location factors of industries are grouped into geographical factor and non-geographical factors. Location factors of industries. Factors are responsible for the location of primary, secondary and tertiary sector industries. Basic concept related to primary, secondary and tertiary sectors are covered in our post sectors of economy, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, quaternary sector and quinary sector. Now we are going to learn about what are the factors of location of industries. First, we have to learn about geographical factors. Raw material. Industries are generally set near the raw material, so the transportation of raw materials is easier. It increases the overall efficiency of industry, as raw material is the most demanding factor in any industry or power plant. Other factors are like availability of water and manpower, electricity, bulky goods and weight losing materials cannot be transported for a long distance. Therefore, industries like iron and steel and sugar industries are located near the place of availability of iron ore and sugar cane respectively. Steel plant in Salem is located near Kanjamalai where iron ore is available. Similarly, sugar industries are located near the sugarcane growing area. Nearness to the sources of raw material would reduce the cost of production of the industries. Power supply. Power is base and essential to run the entire industry. Power is mostly generated from conventional sources like coal, mineral oil and water. So, any of these sources must be located near the industries to fulfill its power requirement. In physics, power is amount of energy transferred or converted per unit time. In the international system of unit, the unit of power is watt, equal to 1 joule per second. In older works, power is sometimes called activity. Power is a scalar quantity. Regular supply of power is prerequisite for locations of industries. Coal, mineral oil and hydroelectricity are three important conventional sources of power. Most of the industries tend to concentrate at the source of power. Labors in industries. Availability of cheap and skilled labors is another important requirement for labor intensive industries. It refers to all those workers who are employed in manufacturing units. The workers employed in large scale, village and small scale industries are considered industrial labor in general sense. Labor is the amount of physical, mental, social effort used to produce goods and services in an economy. It supplies the expertise, manpower and services needed to turn raw material into finished products and services. The skill of workforce and the quantity of labors they produce, the reward of labor is wages. Capital investment in man-made aids to production including buildings, factories, computers. The reward for capital is interest. Transport for industries. It is needed for transporting raw material to the industries and also for sending finished products to the market. Availability of easy transportation always influences the location of an industries. So the junction points of waterways, roadways and railways become active centers of industries. Technically, transportation is subgroup of industry sector according to the global industries. The transportation sector consists of Several industries, including air freight and logistics, airlines, marine, road and rail, and transportation infrastructural transportation investment influence where economic growth happens and how much growth occurs. Most every factor of modern society relies the transportation of some extent, and many industries such as catalog business and overnight package deliveries and almost entirely built around that transportation system. Climate is responsible for industries. Climate of area selected for an industry is also one of the important factor of location of industries. Extreme climatic condition is not suitable for successful industrial growth. Moreover, there are certain industries which require specific climate. Example, cool humid climate is ideal for cotton textile industry. As Coimbatore and Tirupur have such type climate, many cotton textile industries are located in this region. Climate change has an impact on energy supply and safety facilities. In addition, changes in availability and national emergency supply influence the industry. Problems may also be caused by bodies of water becoming warmer, which may impede the use of water for cooling industrial process in this zone. Water resources is responsible for industries. Availability of water is another important factor that influences the industrial location. Many industries are established near rivers, canals, and lakes for this reason. Iron and steel industries, textile industries, chemical industries require plenty of water for their proper functioning. Fossil fuel power station, particularly coal-fired plants, are a major source of industrial wastewater. Many of these plants discharge wastewater with significant levels of metals such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and chromium, as well as arsenic, selenium, and nitrogen compounds. Industry is a huge source of water pollution. It produces pollutants that are extremely harmful to people and environment. Many industrial facilities use fresh water to carry away waste from the plant into rivers, lakes, and oceans.